Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Unbounce landing pages. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete a section in your Unbounce landing page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete a section in your Unbounce landing page anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. The nice thing about Unbounce is they have a lot of different templates available to use, so you can get your landing page up and running quickly. However, sometimes the sections just don't apply, so you want to go ahead and delete them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Unbounce account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Unbounce account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete a section from your Unbounce landing page, first you need to click on Pages here on the top left. Once you click there, you will see all of the landing pages that you have inside of Unbounce. You can see I just have these two. Next, you want to scroll down until you see the page that you would like to delete a section. So this one right here. And then here on the right side, we're just going to click on these three dots and click on Edit. Okay, once you click on Edit, you're going to see what your landing page looks like. So in order to delete a section, just go ahead and scroll down until you find the section you'd like to delete. So for example, this one right here, award-winning design, that doesn't apply to my particular landing page. So all you're going to do is just click on the section, and you're going to know when it's the section you want when you see this kind of dotted line around it. So for example, award-winning design, or if I wanted to delete this whole section right here, I can go ahead and just click there. Now you see the dotted line is around there. Now, for some reason, I don't know why, but here on the right side, you don't have the option to delete that. So that's okay. What you're going to do is just simply click the delete button on your keyboard, and a quick second later, it disappears. All right, so now that section is gone. Another way that you can delete a section in your Unbounce landing page is right down here on the left. You can see content. So you don't see a menu here on the left until you click there, and then it's going to open right up. Once it opens up, you can kind of scroll through to the sections. So let's see here, maybe page section 4. You can click on that, and as you can see, it highlights it here in the editor. Once it's highlighted there, and you can easily just click on delete on your keyboard, and same thing, it just deletes right away. Now you're not finished until you click on save. And then once you do that, you'll want to click on publish. This is an unpublished landing page in Unbounce, so I don't have that button. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete a section in your Unbounce landing page, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.